Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken tenders easily at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 to 1.5 pounds of fresh chicken tenderloins. For the coating, grab 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and 2 cups of crispy panko breadcrumbs. Don't forget your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika to add that delicious flavor. Finally, have some cooking oil ready, whether you plan to fry or bake them. Now let's get those tenders perfectly coated for maximum crispiness. Set up your breading station with 3 shallow dishes. In the first, place your seasoned flour. The second dish holds your beaten eggs, and the third is for the panko breadcrumbs. Take each chicken tender, dredge it in the flour, then dip it in the egg wash, and finally, coat it completely in the breadcrumbs. Press gently to ensure the breading sticks well, creating a fantastic crunchy layer. It's time to cook your tenders to crispy perfection. If baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the breaded tenders on a wire rack over a baking sheet and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, flipping them halfway through. For frying, heat about 2 inches of oil in a skillet to around 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the tenders for 3 to 4 minutes per side until they are golden brown and reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your chicken tenders are cooked, let them rest for about 5 minutes to keep them juicy. Now for the best part, serving. These tenders are fantastic with a variety of dipping sauces, like a tangy honey mustard or a creamy ranch. You can pair them with a fresh green salad, some crispy French fries, or even healthy steamed vegetables. Enjoy these homemade, crispy, and flavorful chicken tenders as a satisfying meal or a delightful snack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.